nitrogen, right? So, nitrogen is also an essential nutrient in all of our life forms. It forms around 78% of our atmosphere. Okay. Yes, Ritesh. Yes. Okay. So, yeah. Now, there are different sources of nitrogen. There is atmosphere from seven. It is, it is 78% of percentage is occupied in the atmosphere, right? There are alkaloids. There is urea, which we can get nitrogen, right? There is nucleic acids. There is vitamins and there is proteins. So there are different sources from which we can get nitrogen. So, but did you know that can we utilize this nitrogen directly? Is it or I mean, can we utilize this nitrogen directly that we have in our environment? Rhythm is saying no. Nikhil is saying yes. Okay. Okay. So no. Yes, we can't utilize this, atmospheric nitrogen directly because, nitrogen cannot be utilized in the elemental form. So it needs to be converted into compounds such as nitrates and nitrites so that we can, consume it. All right. How it is getting converted? Let's learn about it. Okay. And this process, this whole process of conversion of, nitrogen into nitrites and nitrates, it is called as nitrogen fixation. Can you tell me what are the different processes that occurs in nitrogen cycle? Yes, it is in the form of nitrates and nitrites. What are the different steps that we can, that occurs in nitrogen cycle? Do you know any one of them? Denitrification. Very good. Okay, you don't know. I will tell you, Nikhil. It's okay. Okay. All right. So first of all, let's learn about what are different factors, okay, that nitrogen fixation is happening. So there are, two kinds of nitrogen fixation. There is abiotically happened and there is biotic. Okay. So by in abiotic, what we are saying, it is, fixing by industrial manner. So in that we will learn just now. Okay. And in biotic there are free living bacteria and there is symbiotic bacteria. Okay. In free living there are different kind of bacteria like aerobic bacteria, anaerobic bacteria, blue green algae and root nodules. All right, there are different methods how nitrogen is getting fixed in the atmosphere by industries. Okay. And by in our environment there are microorganisms which are present. They are also helping in making the nitrogen fix. All right, and getting it available to us and to the plants as well. So biological nitrogen fixation is carried out by a specialized group of prokaryotes. Do you know what is prokaryotes, students? Any idea about it? You can unmute yourself as well and tell me. Yes, it's a type of organisms. Very good. Nikhil, I asked about prokaryotes. What are prokaryotes? It's on the screen as well here. All right. So, prokaryotes are what? They are single-celled organisms. All right. They are bacteria that helps in the, fixing of nitrogen. Okay. They can be free living. They can be symbiotic. We will learn about their examples. Okay, in this session only. So, what happens is, nitrogen act upon it, converts them into ammonia, and this ammonia, it is used like bacteria. So let's learn about it. Okay.